My village name is Patilapur. I was born here. That's why I always love my village so much. Alongside, similarly, I practice English like this way. In my village, many people always cultivate different kinds of crops in their own field, as well as I cultivate different kinds of crops in my field in order to earn lot of money. It is our main income source. In my village, many people, they are not educated person. Some people always stay in Dhaka city. That's why they can earn money. As far as I know that many people, they give us money in order to lead our family. My elder brother, he has been staying in Dhaka city for 15 years. It is so long time for my elder brother. He always give us money in order to lead our family. If I want, I can show this place. As you can see, this is a paddy field. It is my elder brother's paddy field. He has cultivated these paddy plants yesterday. Today I come in this place in order to describe my village. In my village, many people always work hard in their family. Every day I work hard in my family in order to earn lot of money. I have no specific time to work hard. When I get free time, I try to work hard in my field. I try to come in my field. It is so essential for my daily life. If you have this kinds of village, you can practice English like this way. You can describe your village similarly. I hope that if you describe your village like this way, one day you will be able to speak in English eloquently like a native English speakers. When I was working in my field, that time I have seen many persons, they are working in their field. I mean, they are cultivating paddy plants in their own field. It is so interesting for us. I know that and you know that this is rainy season in our Bangladesh. For that, many people are cultivating different kinds of paddy plants in their own field. Like this way, they are earning money every single moment. As far as I know that in my village, many people, they are not educated person. For that, when I practice English in front of my camera, that time they criticize me, they laugh at me. I don't care because they don't understand my English. For that, they always laugh at me. It doesn't matter. I try to continue my English journey every single moment. You can pray for me as if I can success in my life, as if I can improve my English, as if I can be good speaker in my village. Today I don't want to make it more longer. See you another day.